Welcome to Fresh Faces. In today's home decor segment, I am here to show you a simple planter by using ice cream boxes. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So today I am going to show you a simple planter by using used ice cream boxes. So first of all, you have to make holes at the bottom to drain water out from these boxes. Now I am going to paint this box by using acrylic paint. You can see that I have finished painting acrylic paint on this ice cream container. Also, I have done the painting on the lid too. Next, I am going to make a simple clay art by using this white color clay. So just write any words, any positive words by using a Fevicol. Now stick this clay onto this words. So now you can see that I have finished painting, I have finished giving acrylic colors to this clay arrangement. So I have given white acrylic color to this clay, you can see. So now I'll show you the final arrangement of this planter. So here is the final arrangement. I have added my indoor plants to this planter, you can see. So this gives a cool and vibrant look. Please do try out this simple clay art. This is very much simple to do and it hardly takes less than 10 minutes to recreate this simple idea. That's all for today's video, dear. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.